Okay, so now we'll go with that. Now we need a lighting for this area. We need a lighting for this area. Let's say, for example, here some process areas are there. Okay, some process area is located here. So for that, what I will do, I will create. I will create one more this thing. Let me put that. Uh, where is that part? Yeah, I'll create one more part. Uh, Maybe I will take this is floor element. I need one more kind, guys, right? So I'll go here itself. Okay, great. So this one I have taken it like that. So I'm just taking it here. See, position this. It is going like that. I'll try to move it. See, I don't know why it is going automatically that time. Even I have no idea. It's the first time that we are ever facing this issue. Okay. So this is actually picking that particular point. You see, 0, comma 0. That's the point it is picking it, right? That coordinates, right? Right. So that's why it is going to that place. We'll see that how we can align it. So how we can move, how we go to coordinate, we'll see it. X is 0, here it is 0. Okay, so that's why it is changing it. See, what we need is here somewhere 70. So in the X direction, I'll put 70. Mhm. That is automatically getting changed, no? Even if we change it, it should move, guys, actually. Okay, I will really see. This is position. Yeah, position. Rotation is this one. Position is 15. See, right. Okay. We'll try to adjust here. How we will align it, we'll see. So this 15.2 is somewhere. We'll try to measure this actually. 30.5 meter. So this is around. Basically, I wanted to create one process area here. That's the idea. But that I'm trying to. I'll try to set the coordinate system. Okay. So we are setting up here, right? So, but that floor element is not visible, right? So we'll see what we can do. So you have to think like that. Let me take this floor element, right? Basically, this floor element, what we need is we'll give the height. So let's give the height of 4 meter. Okay. So let's see. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? the 4 meter, we have given some floor, right? We have given some floor, right? So we'll just give 5 or 5 meter, right? So this is how we have, this thing. Again, what we will do, one more I copy, one more I paste it. Okay. For this now, I am giving 10 meter, right? Can you guys see that? Can you guys see the floor, right? Let's say that this is some oil, this is the lighting part, right? So I will do this. I'll go to 3D model. I mean 2D model. Let me put it in the exactly in the one above one. So let's give it here. So we'll now you will be able to see it clear, no? So now there are two process area. Any question?